Well, Eli Lilly and Company stock analysis for Monday. Am I buying? Breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. So let's start the week strong. I'm the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, I'm not exaggerating. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. And how Eli Lilly stock is looking like is that, you know, it came down quite strong. And after a crazy pull down this last week, there's a reason why I have not had a win over the last 2 trades, and there's been just 2 break-evens. And unless this is why I have this waiting text, unless there is a confirmation, I'm not looking to buy. I mean, this is me assuming bullish market, but I'll probably just be, because this is a daily chart, you know, I'll probably be waiting a week or so to see the rules met. And if they're not met, I'm just not gonna buy it. Like, I'm just saying exactly as it is in my eyes. Not gonna be immediately buying because this crash is big. And if you want to stay tuned, if you want to stay updated and all the good stuff, click the first link in the description. It's free emails and insights, plus you get stock picks. Goodbye and enjoy.